at the New England PTTC, we assist with the improvement of implementation and delivery of effective substance misuse prevention interventions, and we do this by providing training and technical assistance services to the substance misuse prevention field. These are all tailored to meet the needs of recipients and the prevention field, and are based in prevention science and use evidence-based and promising practices. The Prevention Technology Transfer Center, or PTTC network, was established in 2018 by SAMHSA and is comprised of 10 regional centers across the United States. Here is a map of these centers. Depending on which state you reside or work in, you can find your designated regional center here. The 6 states of New England are identified as Region 1. If you're looking to become a certified prevention specialist or simply wanting to increase your knowledge and experience on prevention topics, the New England PTTC provides trainings to support you in doing so. We provide the trainings that most states require for prevention specialist certification. These include SAPS, or SPF Application for Prevention Success Training, Prevention Core Competencies, Prevention Ethics, as well as Advanced Prevention Ethics, and many other regularly scheduled and accessible trainings in response to the current workforce needs and requests, and as needed to fulfill required IC and RC domain training hours. To see more information on upcoming trainings and events, you can scan the QR code on your screen that will lead to the PTTC Training and Events calendar. We are also a co-sponsor of the annual New England Summer School of Addiction and Prevention Studies. We collaborate on an annual Project ECHO virtual learning series, and we have a specialty focus area of cannabis prevention education and initiatives. We have also created many resources and products for the prevention workforce, as well as the needs identified in assessments from New England communities and populations. Notably, we've created 2 graphic medicines on youth vaping prevention and problem gambling prevention. We have responsive resources like our Workforce Onboarding and Orientation Guide, and proactive resources, including toolkits and policy guides created by our New England PTTC Research and Design Fellows. We know that technical assistance, or TA, can look like many different things, which is why we bring so many forms of it to the prevention workforce. It could be strategic planning, where one example is that we worked with the Maine Recovery Council on a long-term strategic plan for new opioid settlement funds. The New England PTTC provided facilitation, product development, and connected people in various sectors to work together and find solutions on using these funds for their work in prevention. Another way that TA is often provided is through consultation. We are more than happy to join in on your meetings to help understand, brainstorm, and process to bring the latest prevention science into your work. We love having the ability to connect people like trainers, mentors, facilitators, and learning communities by joining you all in your work, whether it be trainings, conferences, policy work groups, community prevention initiatives, and more. If you're looking to connect with the New England PTTC, or if you have a training or technical assistance request, you can scan the QR code on the screen here that leads to a request form that gets sent directly to the team. If you're looking to connect directly through email, here's the New England PTTC staff, roles, and contact information. Whether you're interested in inviting us to speak at your conference, collaborating on a project, or meeting with us at local events, don't hesitate to reach out. The New England PTTC is committed to building strong connections through meaningful engagement opportunities, and we're always excited to connect with New England communities and partners in ways that make a real impact. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the New England PTTC. We're proud to support the prevention workforce and promote healthier communities across the region. Be sure to check out our website and follow us on social media to stay up to date on upcoming opportunities. We look forward to connecting with you.